Do you want to upgrade to smarter Grok 3 model? Let's turn it on together. Let's get right into the video. First of all, log into Grok, click your profile icon and head over to settings. Find the model preferences section and select Grok 3 if it's available to your account. Since I already have the smartest model, I cannot do it. So if the settings is available on your PC, save settings and boom, you're now using Grok 3 with faster, smarter responses. Enjoy the next level conversations with Grok 3 at your fingertips. If this video helped you or if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tips like this, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.